Hello everybody, in this video we're going to make a Scratch account. Alright, so let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to the Scratch webpage, scratch.mit.edu. Then I'm going to click this Join Scratch button. Alright, so it's asking me for a username. I'll pick my username. I'll be Dr. Wu Videos. And then it's going to ask me for password. So Dr. Wu is great with your $sign. Don't pick that password. That is a terrible password, but I'm just going to pick it just to show you how it's done. Alright, so then I click next. What country do you live in? We can pick any country we like. When was I born? I'm going to make this up. I'm born in 1903, January. Okay, great. And then it wants a gender. Not say. What is my email? So, drwoovideos@gmail.com. And then I create my account. And that's it. I've created my Scratch account. So, I'm logged in by default. If I want to log out, I'll go sign out here. And so, now I'm going to log in. Alright, so I'm at the Scratch logon page. I'm going to click sign in. I'm going to type in my username, which is Dr. Wu Videos. And I'm going to type my password, which is Dr. Wu is great. $sign. And click sign in. And I'm in. And see, I'm in. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is to confirm my email right here. And what that lets me do is that allows me to share my code to other people. So I'm going to do that right now. So this is my Gmail now. Scratch sent me this email. It wants me to confirm my account. Do that right now. Now my account is confirmed. Again, what that lets me do is share my codes. So I'll reload this page. And that's it. I've made a Scratch account. Hope that makes sense. Please like and subscribe.